Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll discuss the theory of pair of two linear equations. Now let's start here. First of all, the basic key points I'll discuss here. The first of one is what is the linear equation and what is the general form of linear equation and what is the nature of graph of linear and non-linear equation. And number 4 is why we solve the two linear equation and how to solve the pair of two linear equation. And two linear equations solving method here, graphical solution and algebraic method. And number 1 is comparison of algebraic method and graphical method. Now let's start here. Now first of all, what is the linear equation? It is an algebraic equation in which each term has a power of 1 and there should not present this remind that the line there should not present any terms which is the product of the variables. So now first of all, the linear equation always the graphical nature always straight line. So now I am showing you an example here, the in general form of two variable linear equation here, x plus by plus c equals to 0. So now here this equation represent a straight line, and here two variable here x and y, and here a, b and c are constant, and a, b is not is equals to 0. So now I am comparing you here now linear and non-linear equation. Basic difference. What is the basic difference here? First of all, here I am showing you the linear equation 5x plus 3y equals to 5 and non-linear equation which is 5x plus 10y plus xy equals to 5. So here you showing the graph nature is the number 1 equation is straight line and non-linear equation is curve. So basically basic difference here only, both the equation the power of the variable, all the variable is 1, but they are in the linear equation there have not present any variable multiplication term, but the non-linear equation there have the present the multiplication term. This is the basic difference. So that's why the nature of the graph of these two equations is different. So now here, now when we solve these two linear equation, what we will get from these two linear equation when we solve, we get a single point. When we solve two linear equation, we get a single point, single intersection point, and this point also lies on these two straight line. So now how to solve this pair of two linear equation, and we use two method here. One is graphical method and another is algebraic method. And in algebraic method we use the three method. One is substitution method, elimination method and cross multiplication method. Now first of all I am showing you the graphical solution, how to solve two variable linear equation. I will take two different equation here, and x plus y equals to 5, and another one is 3x plus y equals to 9. So now here I form a table here, and now first I will choose the integer value, and will not choose the fraction value because the calculation is complicated. So your choice, what you will choose. So now I will choose the integer value. Now for x is an independent variable here and y is dependent variable. Whatever the value of x, but y is always dependent for y. So here we put we take 0, x equals to 0, so y equals to 5, and x equals to 1 and y equals to 4. So this is the another equation, and similarly I'll take x equals to 0 and for y equals to 9 and x equals to 1 we put here 9 minus 3 into 1 we get 6, y equals to 6. So now we plot the graph here, graphical solution, we plot a graph. So here we get for the intersection point here, when we plot these two points here, we get two straight line and they intersect a point here, x equals to 2 here and y equals to 3. So now I am showing you another example, which is 3x plus 2y equals to 12 and 4x plus 6y equals to 18. Also I will solve the graphically. Now this is the table. I will plot here these two graph here, and you will show I am showing you here that the intersection point here 3 point something, which is 3.6, and here the intersection point is y equals to 0.6. So this is the two curve. When we solve another is intersection point, I will calculate the integer value. Here the intersection point in this equation and the fraction value, give the fraction value. So now when we algebraically solve, you get this value, and now we discuss later. Now first of all, you know that the in general form of two variable linear equation. Now I'm showing you that two variable linear equation, what type of they look like. Now here a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0, and another one is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. Here all a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 are all are constant. So now when two linear equation present in a plane, what will be happen? Three possibilities can happen. One is the two lines will intersect at one point, or two lines will not intersect, that is they are parallel, and another one is the two lines will be coincident. So now I am showing you the graphical form here. When two variable linear equation are straight lines, now what will happen? They are parallel, they can never intersect each other. So this graph is y equals to x plus 1, this is the y equal to x minus 3. Now another one is when the two variable linear equation is intersect. So they intersect at this point, this two linear equation here, y equals to x plus 1, red one, and blue one is y equals to 2x minus 3, and they intersect at that point for something, and this one is intersection point 4 point something, 4.5, and this one is 4. Now another graphical nature is when two straight line is coincident. Coincident means the two lines are merged or overlap. So here now I'll showing you these two equation here, y equals to x plus 1 and another one is 2y plus 2x plus 2. So this graphical nature is you showing that you cannot differentiate these two lines separately, straight lines separately. So this is basically these two overlap each other. So this the graphical nature is this look like this. Now I'll solve the algebraically. Now I'll choose in algebraic method, I'll choose the substitution method. Now the what is the method of substitution. Now here we have substitute the value of one variable by expressing it in terms of the other variable to solve the pair of linear equation. So here this is the main point, value of one variable by expressing in terms of the other variable, step 1. And step 2, substitute this value of y in the other equation and reduce it to an equation in one variable, that is in terms of x, which can be solved. I am showing you the example, you will better understand. Now here step 3, substitute the value of x or y obtained in step 2 the equation used in step 1 to obtain the value of other variable. Now let's see what will happen. Now example here, using the substitution method to solve the two variable linear equation. Here now first one is 7x minus 15y equals to 2, and second one is x plus 2y equals to 3. These two linear equation. Now first step is one variable in terms of another variables. So here I'll choose the second one. Your choice. You will take one equation 1. First I will choose the equation 2. Now here x plus 2y equals to 3. Now y equals to 3 minus x by 2. This is the first step. One variable in terms of the another variable. Now this expression is equation 3. Now step 2 is the y is substitute in equation 1. So y in place of y we replace the value of a 3 minus x by 2. Now here we put the value here, 7x minus 15 into 3 minus x by 2 is equals to 2. And now simplify the expression and we get x equals to 49 by 29. Now we get the value of one variable value, which is x equals to 49 by 29. Now step 3 we get here y equals to 3 minus x by 2. Now in expression 3 we put the value, we substitute the value of x here, and we get the value of y equals to 19 by 29. So we get, when we solve this two variable linear equation, and we get one single point, which is x equals to 49 by 29 and y equals to 19 by 29. These 2 points also lies on these two straight line. If you put this value x equals to 49 by 29 and y equals to 19 by 29 in equation 1 or equation 2, you will compare LHS part is also is equals to RHS part. So this also lies on these two straight line. Now in this section I will compare the graphical method and algebraic method. Now why algebraic method is more accurate than the graphical method? Because when we solve the algebraically, you will easily find out visually the intersection point. But in graphical method, when you solve the integer value, when the intersection point is integer value, then you will visually easily find out. But when the intersection point is graphically the fraction value, it's very difficult to find out what is the exact value. So here see the discuss these two graph here. You see that here our intersection, the solution of these two straight line is a linear equation is x equals to 2, y equals to 3. This is the intersection point here. Here x equals to 2 and y equals to 3. This point is the intersection point. And now these two straight line here, the intersection point is 3 point something. Here x equals to 3, 3.5. This one is here is 3.6. And now y equals to 0.6. And this is the 0.5 is this 0.5 upper here. This is the y equals to 0.6. So this the very visually difficult to find out this intersection point. So that's why the algebraic method is more accurate than the graphical method. So now this is our end the video. So another video I will briefly discuss algebraic method. So you watching my videos. Thank you.